shut this down. So when running the pump switch is here. It is required when you run this to run the vacuum pump. So the plow setting here, some critical areas. The roller sections are attached to these extrusion pieces coming across. The side guides aligning the product into the roller section are done with the bar sections and the ratchet handles. And then the last section is the mating plows, left and right. And that whole plow section is on here, and this whole plow section is on here. As you look down in here, where my finger's at, you'll see some spring-loaded controls. And those are done with this set screw right here. So I can apply pressure by going down and loosen pressure in here. So the idea is that as it comes through the plow and we get it over, we really want to bring it all the way flat so that when it releases, it holds that 90 shape. And that's what these are doing. The height adjustments are done through the extrusion connections on the 90-degree brackets here. The positioning controls are done through the 90-degree brackets that are on the side arm with the slots. As you'll notice, there's a ruler here. And I will note that we are in this position for the front. This one will follow it, as it's a hard mount between the two. So this right here, these two bars in their positions are handling the hold down, roller hold down. Very important that the positioning between here and here stays somewhat in this range, because that puts the rollers in the right location for the plow. This section up here is marked here as where I am plowing. You'll notice I've got a little offset on my plows, and I've done that just to start one bend before the other one, and just a split of a second. But you'll see the positioning of the one plow being longer than this plow. The roller hold down is important to shoot it out into whatever mechanism is holding it. The guide input roller adjustment here is just to make sure we're driving the products into here. You'll notice there's a gap of product in between here and here, a gap in control. And that's what we're allowing is, as it shoots it in, it kind of squares itself on these side guides before the actual roller takes hold of it and drives it through. This film. Alright, so the last thing to talk about is this piece right here, which is really a critical piece. What it does is puts a hard bend on that die-cutted score. So as we're coming in and you're looking to set everything up, you want these guides, this one's actually a little loose, there one, but you want to be able to roll this in by hand, and you'll see how the drive wheels are starting to lift. Alright, but they have the tendency to want to stay up. You want to line everything up so that this piece right here is right on that score line. And you notice how it pushes it down? It assists in the snapping. See how it's running along that score? Very important for ease of movement.